Kay. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. Today's recipe is going to be a smash hit in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to take plain old potatoes to a whole nother level. This crispy recipe can be either an appetizer or a snack. Alright, let's list the ingredients and let's get started. First, grab a bag of potatoes. Grab a pot of water. Add the potatoes. Next, grab 2 bay leaves and add it to the pot. Next, grab some garlic and add 2 cloves. Make sure they're peeled, then add them. Lastly, a pinch of salt. Now let's add it to the heat. Let's check on the taters. Ooh. Ah, that fork goes right through. They are nice and tender. Now we're going to drain the water. Let's grab the 2 bay leaves. And the garlic cloves. And now we're going to toss them. Now let's add a couple tablespoons to the potatoes. After adding the 2 tablespoons of olive oil, now we're going to just toss it. Place the potatoes on the baking sheet. Now it's time for the fun part. So grab your handy dandy mashing tool. Oh, wrong one. Perfect. And then just smash the potatoes. Now drizzle some more olive oil on top. Grab some salt. Sprinkle. Now pepper. Sprinkle that. And sprinkle that. I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to it as well. This is optional. Once you season them to your liking, then just pop them in the oven. Once they're crisp, then they're done. Well, there you have it. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos and you haven't done it already, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. And if you have any questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, cooking and kisses.